have a great collaboration a brand partnership that we've built with James Hardie now. And it's to service not only the builder but also James Hardie. They've got a premium fastening system, they've got a premium cladding system, so we've collaborated together to make the builder's job a lot easier and getting the product up with a great finish and less dramas for patching and things like that. A very successful weapon. It's designed, basically we designed it a lot for cladding applications. The reason being it's so successful is the problems of overshooting and stops that overdriving of the nail. With an air gun you've got so many variables of where the compressor is, how many guns are on the actual compressor itself, how long the hose is. So you get all these variations in nail depth. With our gas guns, these boys here now getting a perfect flush finish to the product, which is what James Hardie recommend, and then it's much easier for them to patch and paint, which at the end of the day, it helps the client and the builder finish the job quicker and better. Seen these houses go up and it makes us proud to actually see the finish and walk away from the finished product when it's end of the house and just see that you can't see any nails, there's no patching, it's a perfect job, and basically it makes us feel proud of it.